Well, g'day. Julian here, as the accent and the g'day has probably given away. Yes, I'm here from Australia and excited to share that I'm going to be back again this year for InnovateEDU there in Cape Town. Now, I was lucky enough to attend my first InnovateEDU last year down in Joburg, and it was one of the most amazing conferences that I've ever been to, either as a delegate or as a speaker. The community that you have there in South Africa is like nothing I've seen in my travels. And so when Kevin and the and the Cloud EDU team reached out to invite me to come back, I leapt at the opportunity. So, why am I coming back, I might hear you ask? Well, if you didn't see me last year I was there presenting a whole bunch of workshops on the Quizzes AI tool. And now they've had a name change, now they're called Wayground, and they have even more features than ever before. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is running a fantastic hands-on workshop on how you can use the Wayground tool to create really fun, dynamic, interactive, gamified lesson materials in your classroom using their AI toolkit. So if you're interested in that kind of avenue, then please make sure you come along. My second workshop is on my current love. I currently work as the head of AI here for 18 schools back here in Sydney, Australia, and a large part of my job is working with my teachers on using the fantastic features inside the Google AI sphere. So that's things like Notebook LM, that's Gemini Gems, Nano Banana for imagery, and so much more. So even if you're new to this whole AI space, I'm going to be running a whole workshop, again, hands-on, lots of fun, I promise, on how we can actually get the most out of these Gemini tools to create resources for our classrooms, to quickly differentiate, to create multimedia, to do things that you lacked both the time and all the expertise to do. Because, for instance, I never had the expertise to play 10 instruments and write a song, but I can now do that using the Gemini toolkit. So if you're keen, just maybe start playing with generative AI for the first time in a safe environment and with tools that are free, then please make sure to check that one out. And the last session is the one that is closest to my heart, which is how do we look at building assessment in this world of AI? And surprisingly, this workshop is not going to be as heavy on AI as you might think. Yes, we are going to be talking AI tools. We're going to be talking about how we can use AI in assessment. But I also want to talk more importantly about how do we create new assessments that are AI safe, assessments that can't be abused and cheated easily on using AI tools, which I know is something that many of you are scared of. It's safe to say, it's no longer contentious to say that our assessment mode globally has been broken for a long time. Generative AI just shone a light on it. But there are many things we can do now to both level the playing field, to set expectations, and to make sure that your assessments are as safe to use as possible with your students. So that's a whole bunch of workshops, either Wayground for gamifying resources with AI, the Google AI workshop, talking about all things generative AI in that Google sphere, which is going to be so much fun if you come along, and how we can rework assessment in the day of AI for my third. And it's worth mentioning, as an Australian, I am not averse to a bit of bribery and corruption. After all, we are convicts by history. I will also be bringing back with me a plethora, a large amount of Tim Tams. Not enough for everybody, but enough if you come along, you can hopefully grab one or two to give you the sugar hit to get you through the rest of the day. Look, I can't wait to see you there. If I didn't see you last year, or if you weren't there last year, I'm really excited to connect, to share my love in these areas, and hopefully to also learn about yours, because I'm not just there to present, I'm there to learn as well. So that's it. That's my intro. I can't wait to see you at InnovateEDU there in Cape Town this year, and I'll see you soon. Hooroo!